Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today I'm going to show you how to get bugs and tar off paint. Alright, welcome back. So this is the product I'm going to be using. It's turtle wax, bugs and tar remover. Make sure you shake well and then you spray it on. There's directions on the bottle. But if you see on the paint, see all this tar and nastiness from trees. So the goal is to remove that. I've used this product in the past to get off some tar from road construction, and it worked out pretty well. So let's try it on the paint. All right, it's been a few minutes. I don't know if you can see there, it's breaking up all that tar and stuff. I don't know if you see it running down. I'm gonna take a terry cloth right now and wipe it up. Not too bad. Give it a little bit of pressure. Pretty good. So let's let it sit and soak in. Alright, about halfway done with the hood. I'm getting ready to wipe it down with the cloth. Just want to show you before I wipe it down. It's taking me a few minutes using the tool. So give me a second and I'll wipe it off. Alright, wiped it down. You can see that a few spots didn't quite come up yet. Some of them might be, you see in there might be rock chips. So make sure when you do it, always read the direction. Make sure you do it in a spot that you're not going to see at first. So if it damages your paint or scratches it or get an undesirable look, it's not where you're going to see it. So make sure you do a test area first. Alright, boys and girls, so I got this side done. I just need to wipe it down. See a little more on the other side. Just giving you guys a quick update. Alright, I got it all wiped off. Probably about 99% of it. Looks a lot better. This is not a show truck, so obviously there's defects in the paint and everything. But it did shine it up. And a little added coat for some wax. So I'm gonna wax it and then I'll show you. Right now it's about 7:30 at night here in Alaska. Obviously the sun stays up, but it's not directly overhead right now. I don't know if it's gonna show up or not, but it's 100 times better than what it was. So look at that shine. No more tar all over the hood from them darn trees. So hopefully you guys can see how nice it looks. So it's beautiful now. So I really hope that helps you out. Please like and subscribe. It's free. Let's build this channel, have a good community. I do a lot of stuff, from working on the 2nd gen Cummins, stuff around the house, gardening, things in Alaska, sleep music, so a wide variety. So I'm here to help you guys. Can you guys help me by subscribing? And until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.